Of the Crypto Doe channel. And today we're talking about the market. Now, the market has fallen. The market has fallen. November, I was expecting a bullish month for November, but I did some charting yesterday and it's a total reversal. The beginning of November might be totally bearish. Now you have these are the things that's affecting it. You have the job data that's supposed to come in if we have weak job data. Okay, that's one thing, right? And I think that's going to be major. These are the things that, to me, if we have two announcements as far as the bullish announcements would be maybe the closure of a government shutdown, and then another announcement, maybe some type of deal with China, right? Those are the things that could be bullish towards the space. But according to the charts right now, you know, on the October 10th drop, the major $19 billion liquidation, it bounced from that point. And generally speaking, right, when crypto generally dips, in order for, as far as charting goes, in order for you to know that it's some type of stability right there, you would have to visit that point again. So perhaps we will visit that point. Bitcoin right now is currently at 105. I've been said probably in about a 2-week post or a 3-week post. Check out the post. I stated that if Bitcoin doesn't hold, Bitcoin still can go to 94K. That's on the table. 88 to 94K. That's just the worst case scenario, right? We're going to talk about the worst case scenario. Bitcoin can go to 88 to 94K, right? That's the range that it can go. So will this be an extended market? I'm going to keep you updated on that, because instead of the bull run or the blow off top being in like it normally is in the end of November to December, what if the blow off top for this year is in Q1 or Q2? That's something to consider. Like I say, Bitcoin has never had a institution-backed cycle. And with institution, this mass manipulation. So this may be a factor. I'm saying it all to say this may be a factor, right? So we're putting that out there on the table. I was expecting for it to be a bullish November, but as the chart change and as the news come out and as the data change, I have to change with the data as well. Now, people may not like this, right? The XRP community may not like this. You see, when you're keeping it real on these channels, they don't like it. They want you to sell them hopium and dopium releases all the time. I'm not here for that. This channel is not here for that, right? I'm letting you know what's going on in the market, good or bad. Good or bad. If it's bad, it's an opportunity. If it's good, then it's good. It's just that simple. See, I'm not a channel that's going to say, hey, well, I'm only going to report on good news and I want you to just click on my channel. No, I'm going to keep it real with you and let you know, hey, these are the things that's happening. Crypto right now, as far as the data and everything else that's coming out with the job market, that may not be so good. You could check out the stock market. You could check out gold right now. Everything is plummeting right now. Crypto, to me, is very much so well overextended. You could check out the total market and everything else along that nature, and that will let you know a lot of different things, right? Bitcoin dominance market can bounce up one more time before it hits another legs down, which is going to hurt the altcoin market, right? Others right now, as far as if you're doing charting and the Bollinger Band, it has broken past the support in the Bollinger Band, right? Bollinger Band is basically a metric that you can use, and it lets you know if the market is going to go up as far as the squeeze or it's going to go down as far as the squeeze, right? So those are the things that I pay attention to. Last night when I did my charting, in fact, this morning, I redid my charting and it stated that we have broken support, which means that the beginning of November may be a downturn. And I'm okay with that, right? I'll just deploy some more capital. I'm okay with that. Let me acknowledge the chat. Noob Art 22 said, hey, what's going on? Thanks for, I'm from India. What's up? What's going on in India? Let me know. Crypto is supposed to be well adopted in India, at least some parts of India. So let me know what's going on there. I'm the KHIYT. Yo, what's going on? My bad if I butchered your name. I'm a sub. I appreciate the sub. I appreciate the like. I'm Crypto Doe, once again here to share everything I know with you guys, so together we can go further than Wells Fargo. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel. Help me swim through the algorithms. Genies I blend 259267. I really don't know what that means, but hey, Sagar Yupta 7305 said, hello, sir. Have you seen today's BTC chart? Yes, I've seen today's BTC chart, and that's what I'm reporting, right? Can expect 100,000. Yeah, I'm thinking that the psychological number is 100,000. They have to break 104 in order to get to 100,000. Last time I think it was at 103. On October the 10th, when we had that flash drop, I believe Bitcoin went to 102 or 103. So it can go back down there. If it breaks that and it breaks 100,000, then the next support to me will be at 94,000. 94,000, and then beneath that is 88,000, right? Bitcoin is way overextended. Bitcoin is overextended. So let's just be real, right? And a 20 to 30% drop in Bitcoin in a bull market is absolutely nothing. People think that it's everything, but it's absolutely nothing when markets go up hundreds of percentages, right? So 6-7, it's 6-7 actually. I've been announced Oxford Dictionary Word of the Year. How about ETH? Well, ETH to me has a support. ETH right now, I checked, is at 3,600. ETH has a support at 3,100. That's the worst case scenario. So ETH can go revisit the 3,000 mark. If it breaks that, then we may be in a bit of trouble. So that may be 2,500, right? ETH support is at 3,100. Now, I would slowly begin to buy in, but I don't think the market is finished dumping yet. I don't think it's finished dumping yet. I think that give it a day or two or three, right? This is what I think. I can't give you financial advice, but this is what I think. I think that the market is probably going to dump down to what it dumped down to on October 10th, when we had that major $19 billion liquidation. If it breaks that, then I'm going shopping. If it breaks that, then I'm going shopping. So that's just what I see. You said Bitcoin is at 106. Yeah, it went down to 105. So anything can happen. Like I say, it can go up, it can go down. We don't know it. Give it some time, right? It may be lower by the end of by the time the close to market closure, which, you know, it's a 24-hour market. It never closes. Or it could be somewhere maybe higher. Who knows? It's only one way to find out, right? It's only one way to find out. But smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. So with that being said, just giving you guys the realest point of view of what's going on. Like I say, the market is dumping. I expected it to be a bullish beginning of November, but last night the Bollinger Band broke, and certain support levels broke. XRP support level broke, Bitcoin support level broke, Ethereum support level broke, Solana support level broke, and I'm just going to report that. I know people don't want to. Gold broke, silver broke, everything broke. So it's something major going on. I think it has something to do with the jobs data. I think it has something to do with the job data, because that is being announced today, or got announced today, or it's ahead of the announcement. So, on that note, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. This is another episode of the Crypto Doe Show. Help me get to 10,000 subs. That's all I ask. So I appreciate you guys for tuning on in. I will make sure that I keep you updated on the market. Peace out.